barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, the hostess with the mostest, and today we are cooking something else that I don't normally cook. And that is, my wife has started the HelloFresh meal service. And let me tell you, I tried one last night. It was pretty good. But tonight we're going to do another one, and I'm going to film it. I'm going to film cooking the whole process of cooking this HelloFresh meal because I can. This one is brown sugar bourbon pork chops. And I thought, you know what? That sounds like something good, something I could cook on this channel. Now, a couple things. One, I apologize. My hair is atrocious. I'm not going to lie. It's a mess. But anyway, we are also shooting on 3 different cameras. So right now I'm on my phone. I got my chesty on, if you can see. And I also got this camera back here because I'm really afraid for everything that I have to do for this meal. I'm going to miss something. So I'm apologizing now. I said that weird, didn't I? Anyway, I'm apologizing now because I know deep down inside something is going to happen that I'm going to miss. I'm going to miss a step. So I'm going to try my best not to miss any steps. So anyway, let's get started. Let's get started cooking this HelloFresh meal. And no, by the way, this is not sponsored. This is not paid for. We are just trying this out because everybody else does it. So we're going to try it. Anyway, it looks like we got a lot to do. So let's get on it.
All right, step 1. Let's open everything up. Whoa, look at what's inside there. Brussels sprouts. Awesome. Brussels sprouts. An apple? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff we have. Chicken. Potato. Scallions. Alright, I'm starting to doubt myself. Look at all these potatoes. There's a lot of potatoes. Potato. Potato. Potatoes. That's a lot of potatoes. What else is in here? Oh look, they use brown sugar bourbon. That's cool. And let's see. Sour cream. Another apple. I don't know about the apple. Potato. Alright. Adjust rack to middle position and preheat oven to 425. Okay, 425. Wash and dry produce. Dice potatoes into half-inch pieces. Place in a medium pan with enough salted water to cover by 2 inches. Done with the potatoes. All done. Potatoes. Potatoes. All right, here we go. Pat them, get them patted down nice and good here. Gonna flip them over. Wash the hand off for the millionth time. All right, there they are. Hopefully our pan's nice and hot now. Awesome. All right.
All right, guys. So as you can tell, it's hot and sweaty. Everything's cooking. We're doing pretty good on this. My family's just getting home, and so hopefully they like this. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So you're probably gonna get a lot of music in the background from here on out. Probably won't be much of me talking, just because they're gonna be loud and obnoxious and have the TV on and stuff. So anyway, I want to take a quick second too to tell you to go check out my social medias. The Facebooks, Instagrams, Twitter, everything. My brain's racking for things at the moment, but go check them out. NewbieQ 2020. Check it out. Please go like, go subscribe, go follow, whatever you gotta do. All right, guys, that is it for me. Don't forget to check out all my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter is NewbieQ2020. TikTok is NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And I'm going to go eat because this looks amazing. Does that not look good? I mean, except for the burnt Brussels sprouts. I apologize for the burnt Brussels sprouts. That's my fault. I did that. So anyway, you can check out HelloFresh's website and find out what they've got for you. They've got all kinds of meals and stuff on there. My wife actually ordered all this, so it was pretty cool. I mean, I like to experience, trying to cook some more stuff and try to learn. I screwed up the Brussels sprouts. Big fail on my part, but it is what it is, and that's all I got to say. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Here we go. Family's eating this HelloFresh. And I wanted to be the first to show you guys. For the people who know me, know that this is not really something I would do, but I am trying a Brussels sprout. I put a little mashed potatoes on with it. It kind of just tastes like a potato to me. I mean, that's really what it is. But we're going to try it. Pretty good.
Yeah, delicious.
It's pretty good. Not going to lie.